doing. Like I said, don't mind the way I've been looking lately. My voice is very much gone. It's like still, this is Vlogtober day 15. So my voice is very much hoarse. Yeah, I'm so tired of going through this with this cold and stuff, but yeah, it's only a cold, right? So yeah, I'm about to get ready. I have to go take care of some stuff, and you know, we just want to get out the house for like a little bit. I look a mess. Like, I don't even know how I'm gonna spruce myself up. I was here trying to figure out how I'm gonna spruce myself up without putting no makeup. And I don't normally look this like bad, but right now, yo, I just like, this is just not gonna work. But y'all, I'm gonna get myself together because I'm almost running late. I do have somewhere to be. But I'm going to come back to y'all once I'm dressed and, you know, looking a lot better, y'all. Because right now, baby, she giving no. Okay? She giving no. No. I'll talk to y'all guys. We are in our other car. I want to show y'all what I have on, too. It's just simple, but it's very fallish. I could sit this, look. I could sit y'all up here. I didn't even know this was like this. We are...
She be trying to tell me how to drive.
I sure do.
I'm gonna tell y'all, this car don't make a whole lot of noise like that other.
Yeah, it don't.
But you do hear all that noise in the background, I'm sure. We apologize for the noise that we can't help.
Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all. So we pull up to this McDonald's, right?
I want to go to see it.
And we get to this McDonald's, and the girl, my nose stopped up, y'all. But the girl's on the machine. Well,
on the machine.
On the, what's the thing called?
What is that called?
Where you order.
Take out.
And she was like, we were ordering our food. She was like, Girl, where you think you at? So y'all,
you tell everybody what you did?
It's a big change of plans. It's like it's about to rain.
That ain't what, to be honest, that ain't the reason.
And yes, that's one of them. But we also thought that we lost our ATM card. But it was here at the house. Thank God for me finding it.
What? Don't laugh.
Yeah, so we found it. I want my voice back and I want my nose back. I got all cute for nothing. I guess I can
what,
do.
For nothing? You got cute for me.
I guess I could do my DIY project, and then I can do.
You do your daughter's hair.
I gotta do my daughter's hair.
Both of that hair need to be done. Cause
she has pictures day tomorrow, and I have an appointment tomorrow again. Cause the appointment I went to today didn't go well, so I have to go back tomorrow. So yeah, that's gonna be like a an hour long appointment. I think I'm gonna do my DIY project. I mean, we need to be at home anyway, cause like it's about to rain. But it did feel good riding in my old car. In my old vlogs, you'll see me driving that car. My baby. So yeah, let me just, I don't know. I think I'm gonna do my DIY project, then do my daughter's hair. This video gonna be short today. Vlogtober day 15 gonna be short. Cause your girl, she just ain't really feeling it right now. And I'm not. I'm shocked that I've been doing, like, going this long, you know, and haven't stopped. What's wrong? Something fell back there. I'm gonna DIY these items. I never remember where I put my glue gun. It's so crazy. I mean, seriously. Ooh. I never remember where I put my glue gun ever. I was like, I have my glue gun. buy this because I hate this wood. I like the reindeer, but not like this. But I hate the fact that they just didn't cover the whole thing. Why would you do that? And same with this. Like, this is okay, but baby. And how I'm gonna have to do this, I'm gonna have to put the ribbon around this without tearing this off, because this is like a nice firm bow. It does not become a problem. Like, I'm really hoping it doesn't, but I feel like it's just gonna keep on going. It's some of the deep in the it's a big bag in the deep freezer thingy. Alright, y'all, so far we can't have kids in here. I'm like, okay.
You better have your stuff together. Here, you need to know people here, so somebody can watch the kids. You got stuff to do. The kids can't come on.
The lady was really nice though. She was like, yeah, I wish we could, but right, because we have so much equipment in here, that just kids can't come in. You know, I was like, okay, that's fine.
Well, that ain't like they're going in the back.
Yeah, you do go to the back.
Oh.
You go to that little area back there. Okay. All the computers on.
Did they have the room where you had to take the COVID test?
Yeah.
They still do that?
They don't take no COVID test. Yep, you're gonna keep on trying. But I want you to show them my outfit in a little bit. My face itching right here, y'all. I don't know, I think I'm getting a bump.
Huh? What'd you say?
I said I'm gonna let you show them my outfit in a little bit. I don't know why my face is itching so bad in this one spot. Jesus. I wish I could just pour it on there. Let me finish this and come back to y'all once it's done, okay? Got some on here to paint. Hopefully that comes out. Alright, you guys. So, I wanted to show y'all my outfit before we left. The whole outfit. Okay, y'all. I got this cardigan from Gabe's, Goodwill, Walmart. These socks, Goodwill. Yeah, so I just kind of put on a little fall fit. I feel like it's cozy and comfortable, you know, just right up my alley, you know, like comfortable, whatever. So this is just a simple little outfit I put on. I'm gonna try to start showing my outfits more, cause you know I put that it's shown sometimes. But for fall, it's like my favorite. So I really, you know, get with this shiznai's. So yeah, this is just some of it that I decided to throw on today. And yeah, I just wanted to show y'all, because I told y'all I was going to show y'all or whatever when I get dressed up and how I look. So you know what I'm saying, I wanted to do that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to end this video because yeah, I want to chill. But I appreciate you guys watching, and please rate, comment, and subscribe. And remember, I always want to say this too, and I keep forgetting to say it in my vlogs. If they serve you no purpose, let them go. Let him go, let her go, let them go, period. Y'all have a blessed, wonderful day, night. Wherever you're watching this video, I am tired and I'm going to rest. Talk to you guys later.